This is not a lightweight electric trike. This is not a minimal design, and it's not trying to be portable. The Creek Pro passenger electric trike is built for one thing: confidence. From the moment it starts moving, everything about this platform feels deliberate. Fast acceleration, serious torque, and a stance that stays planted no matter what's happening underneath it. This trike is extremely heavy, and that weight is used on purpose. It creates stability, it creates control, and it creates a ride that never feels uncertain. Steep hills are not a challenge here. They're simply part of the terrain. The Creek Pro climbs without hesitation, without drama, and without losing composure. Balance is where this trike separates itself: wide, low, stable. At no point does it feel tippy. At no point does it feel unpredictable. This is a trike designed to inspire trust, to stay upright, to stay planted, and to keep moving forward with authority. For riders who want power without anxiety, stability without compromise, and a platform that feels solid every second of the ride, this is the Creek Pro passenger electric trike. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed and assembled. Assembly is straightforward and methodical. The trike arrives largely pre-assembled with major components already aligned from the factory. The process focuses on securing the remaining parts rather than building from scratch. Start by positioning the handlebars and tightening them to spec. Install the front wheel, making sure it is fully seated and secured to specification. Next, install the rear wheels, confirming proper alignment and tightening all hardware evenly. Pedals are installed next, taking care to match left and right orientation. Add any additional accessories. After that, connect the electrical system and ensure all cables are fully seated and routed cleanly. A final check of brakes, throttle response, display operation completes the process. Because of this trike's weight, extra care and possibly an extra set of hands can make assembly easier. Once assembled, the Creek Pro feels solid, stable, and ready to ride. Alright, let's take this thing out for a ride. The Creek Pro passenger electric trike is built around one clear priority: confidence. Everything about the platform supports that goal. The size, the weight, the stance, the power delivery. This is not a lightweight electric vehicle. It is not designed to be lifted easily. It is not designed for quick storage or portability. Instead, it is built to feel solid, grounded, and completely planted once it starts moving. From the moment of acceleration, the Creek Pro establishes its personality. Power comes on quickly, but never aggressively. There is no sudden surge, no snap, no unpredictability. Acceleration feels strong, controlled, and intentional. The motor delivers torque smoothly, allowing speed to build without drama. Even with its significant weight, the trike never feels slow. The mass disappears once power is applied. Starts from a standstill, feel confident. The trike moves forward with authority, not hesitation. This is especially noticeable when additional weight is involved. The powertrain does not struggle. It does not feel stressed. Instead, it simply moves forward, consistently, predictably. As speed increases, stability remains intact. There is no wandering, no wobble, no sense that the platform is being pushed beyond its comfort zone. The Creek Pro feels composed as momentum builds. The chassis stays aligned. The ride stays calm. Hill climbing is where this trike truly stands out. Steep inclines that challenge many electric platforms are handled with ease. The Creek Pro does not rush uphill, it does not surge, it digs in, applies torque evenly, and keeps moving forward. There is no dramatic spike in motor noise, no sudden drop in power, no feeling of strain. The trike simply continues climbing. This steady, deliberate approach makes steep hills more manageable, not intimidating. The weight plays a key role here. Instead of becoming a liability, the mass helps keep the trike planted. Traction remains consistent. The frame stays stable. Where lighter platforms may struggle for grip, the Creek Pro holds its line. It eats steep hills with confidence, without complaint, without hesitation. Balance is one of the most impressive aspects of this trike. Trikes can sometimes feel awkward, especially during turns, especially at low speeds. This is not the case here. The wide rear stance and low center of gravity work together beautifully. The result is a platform that feels extremely stable. Turning feels controlled, predictable, calm. There's no sense of tipping, no sudden weight shift. The trike tracks smoothly through corners, inspiring confidence every time. Low speed behavior is equally impressive. Stops feel stable, starts feel controlled. There's no need to manage balance at a standstill. The trike stays upright on its own. This makes the Creek Pro especially approachable, especially for riders who prioritize stability over agility. The heavy construction contributes heavily to this experience. Yes, the trike is extremely heavy. That cannot be ignored. Manual movement requires effort. Portability is limited, but once in motion, that weight becomes an advantage. The mass dampens small imperfections. The ride feels settled and composed. Instead of reacting to every surface change, the trike absorbs them. Comfort benefits as the result. The riding posture encourages an upright, relaxed position. Controls fall naturally into place. There is no constant need for correction, no constant balancing act. The trike does the work, the rider remains relaxed. Acceleration remains smooth even with a passenger on board. Braking remains predictable. The platform does not feel overwhelmed, it feels prepared. Frame rigidity reinforces this confidence. There is minimal flex, even under load. The Creek Pro feels like a single cohesive structure, not a collection of parts. Power delivery stays linear across the speed range. There are no sudden surprises, no sudden changes in behavior. What the trike does once, it does consistently. This predictability builds trust. Braking performance matches the overall character. Stops feel controlled, deliberate, smooth. The braking system manages the trike's weight without feeling abrupt or harsh. Deacceleration remains even and composed. Again, the theme is confidence. The Creek Pro is not trying to feel sporty, it's not trying to feel nimble, it's trying to feel secure, and it succeeds. External forces have little effect on the ride. Wind does not easily push it around. Uneven surfaces do not unsettle it. The trike holds its line, stays planted, remains predictable. Over longer rides, this stability becomes even more valuable. Mental fatigue is reduced. The ride feels calmer. There's less thinking about balance, less correcting. The trike simply moves forward. The Creek Pro passenger electric trike is designed for riders who value assurance. It accelerates quickly, climbs aggressively, and remains exceptionally balanced. The extreme weight is the primary trade-off. Portability is limited, but in return, the ride quality improves dramatically. This is a trike built to feel solid, dependable, trustworthy. Alright, let's talk specs. Power comes from a 750 watt rear hub motor, pushing up to 1200 watts peak. Top speed is around 22 miles per hour. Energy is handled by a 48 volt 20 amp hour battery, giving a massive 960 watt hours. That's good for up to 80 to 100 miles of range. Payload capacity is a serious 550 pounds. This trike is built to carry weight. Stopping power comes from triple hydraulic disc brakes, one front, two rear. It rides on 18 by 4 inch fat tires paired with a 7-speed drivetrain and a torque sensor for smooth pedal assist. A rear speed differential is engineered into the drivetrain. This helps the two rear wheels rotate at different speeds through turns, improving stability and minimizing skidding. The frame geometry features a low 13.3 inch standover height, making mounting and dismounting easier. This also helps riders maintain confidence when stopping. The Creek Pro Electric Trike is not built for everyone, and that is exactly the point. This is a trike designed for riders who value confidence over convenience, stability over lightness, control over agility. It is for riders who want to feel planted at all times. This trike is for anyone who prioritizes balance above everything else. Two-wheel platforms can feel intimidating, especially at lower speeds, especially when stopping or starting. The Creek Pro removes that anxiety. It stays upright, it stays predictable, it stays calm. This makes it ideal for riders who want reassurance every time they ride. It is also for riders who carry weight. That may mean cargo, gear, or simply a heavier rider profile. With a high payload capacity and a reinforced frame, The Creek Pro does not feel stressed under load. It feels prepared. Riders who routinely move heavy items will appreciate that strength. This trike is for riders who deal with hills. Steep grades can quickly expose weak drivetrains. This does not happen here. The Creek Pro is built for torque. It climbs steadily without hesitation. Riders who want a trike that eats steep hills will find confidence here. This platform is also well suited for riders who value a relaxed riding experience. There is no constant balancing act, no twitchy steering, no need to stay mentally locked at all times. The trike does the stabilizing, the rider can stay relaxed. That makes it appealing for longer rides or frequent use. The Creek Pro is for riders who are not concerned about portability. This trike is extremely heavy. It is not designed to be lifted easily. It is not built for frequent transport. Riders who have a dedicated space and plan to ride rather than move the trike by hand will benefit the most. This is a trike for riders who want a sense of security. Security at stops. Security in turns. Security on inclines. It inspires trust through consistency. The Creek Pro is also a strong choice for riders who want straightforward operation. Controls are intuitive, power delivery is predictable, behavior remains consistent, ride after ride. There are no surprises here. This trike is not for riders chasing sportiness. It is not built to feel nimble. It does not aim to feel fast or flickable. Instead, it feels solid, stable, grounded. Riders who want excitement may look elsewhere. Riders who want confidence will feel right at home here. The Creek Pro is for riders who appreciate a deliberate design. Every component supports stability. Every decision favors control. Nothing feels accidental. This trike works especially well for riders who want a peace of mind. Peace of mind when starting, peace of mind when stopping, peace of mind when climbing. It is built for riders who want to feel supported by the platform, not challenged by it. In simple terms, the Creek Pro Electric Trike is for riders who want to ride without worrying about balance, terrain, or load. It is for riders who want power without anxiety, stability without compromise, and a platform that feels dependable every single time. If confidence is the goal, this trike delivers. This is Jeremy Vinny, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.